Yeah, the sun is shining, what a happy day. Let's swim safely while we splash and play. Grab a buddy, don't swim all alone. Friends stay together, that's safety we've known. An adult watches every splash you make. No phones or books, it's everyone's sake. Life jackets on if you're learning to swim. Coast Guard approved, keeps you safe with a grin.
Splish, splash, safe and bright. Swimming safely feels just right. Walk, don't run, take it slow. Safety helps our fun to grow. Splish, splash,
Hip hooray.
safe swimmers have the bestest day. Safe swimmers have the best.
Don't dive into water you don't really know. Feet first is the safest way to go. Check how deep before you jump in. Smart swimmers always think before they begin. No holding your breath to see who can win. Take normal breaths with a happy grin. If there's a lifeguard, that's the place to be. Follow the rules for safe swimming.
If a friend needs help, don't jump right in. Reach with the pole or throw a float to them. No snacks or gum while you're in the pool. Chew after swimming, that's the rule. Take swim lessons, learn every stroke. Practice and smile while you float.